Okay, so a very good morning to all the 9th standard students of JC English High School. So we are going through geography and chapter 2, that is physiography of Karnataka. Okay, means as per the physical structure how the state is, we are going to learn in this chapter. So with the introduction we all knows that they has been divided into three main division. One is the coastal plain, one is Malnar, and one is Maidan. So in the last class we have learned that what is this Maidan region, and the Maidan region is also divided into two parts. One is the northern Maidan and one is the southern Maidan. So in the last video we have done this northern Maidan. Okay, today we will be learning about the southern Maidan. Okay, this area extends from the Tungabhadra river basin in the north to Chamarajanagar district in the south. So this southern Maidan, this place is extended from Tungabhadra river basin in the north to Chamarajanagar district in the south. It is a plateau with red soil. Yesterday also I told plateau means tabletop land. Okay, to some extent it is high and then it will get a flat surface, that is known as plateau. Okay, it is a plateau with red soil. Okay, in this place mainly we will find the red soil. It has height of 900 to 975 meters with many ups and down surfaces. Okay, so what is the height of this southern Maidan region? This is 900 to 975 meter, but it has several ups and down surfaces. It is higher than the northern Maidan. It is comparatively higher than this northern Maidan. Okay. There are many hills. See, in this place also, okay, we have discussed all about the hills, hillocks, then your rivers, okay, then your this one, all those waterfalls, okay, what are the district, like that only we will be now discussing about the southern Maidan region. Okay, it comes under Karnataka. Okay, it is the southern part of Karnataka. Okay, so this is very difficult, but you have to memorize, because in the final exam you can get questions like that, name to what is the soil available in southern Maidan. Then the answer is two number questions they can ask, that is red soil with plateau. Okay, so you have to tell like that only. It can be like this also. Is it this Maidan region is a plateau or mountainous area? So answer is plateau. So small thing, that's why I have make a note, so that only I have highlighted the points which are very much important. If you means which type of questions are being asked in the final exam. Okay. There are many hills in this area. What are the hills? Like Chittadurga hills, Narayana Durga, okay, then Savana Durga and Shivaganga. In Bangalore rural you will find all these hills. Then Madhugiri hill in Tumkur district, okay, Nandi hill, Chennakeshara hill and Kavali Durga and Skandagiri hill. Skandagiri hill is also known as Harihareshwara hill. You can find it in Chikballapur district, very near to your place. Okay. Other hills are Adi Chunchanagiri hill in Mandya, very famous. Okay, Mandya district. Beligirangana hill, okay, Malamaleshwara hill, Himad Gopalswamy hill in Chamarajanagar district. Chamundi hills in Mysore district are prominent. Prominent means important or famous. Okay, this area is the rain shadow of Western Ghat. This place is the rain shadow. Why rain shadow? This place receives more rainfall than this northern Maidan. Okay, northern Maidan is dry and it gets it is very hot in the summer. That's why it was known as land of sunshine. Okay, this northern Maidan. But comparatively to this northern Maidan, the southern Maidan receives more rainfall. Okay, this area is the rain shadow of Western Ghat. It is coming under the Western Ghat only. Kaveri, Pala, Pennar are the important rivers of this region. Okay, here also one question they can ask. Name two rivers of southern Maidan region. Then the answer will be Kaveri, Palar, Pennar. Any two you have to write. Now we will discuss about the crops. What it is available with this region, southern Maidan region. Ragi, paddy, sugarcane, groundnut, mulberry, vegetables, a variety of fruits and flowers are the main crops grown here. So in this southern Maidan area, ragi, paddy, okay, then sugarcane, groundnut, mulberry, abundance of vegetables are also agricultured here, and a variety of fruits and flowers are also available in this area. So now we will be discussing about the district, which districts are coming under the southern Maidan region. Okay, Devangari, Chitradurga, Tumkur, Kolar, Mandya, Mysore and Chamarajanagar districts are in the southern Maidan region. Okay, so these are the main district which comes under southern Maidan region. So from here we can understand. See, so here what we have done. So what we have done that in this Maidan region we have done northern Maidan region, and now it is southern Maidan region. And southern Maidan region, see, northern Maidan region and southern Maidan region both are different. Okay, so when the questions will come, you have to memorize it, that what are coming under northern Maidan region, what are coming under southern Maidan region. Here we are discussing about Karnataka. It's your state. You must know each and everything about your state. Okay, next year you will be getting not this physiography of Karnataka. Next year you will be getting physiography of India. Okay, so first you should know about Karnataka, then only you will be proceeding towards the whole country, India. Okay, so these are the prominent things you have to understand. What are the hills available? Okay, then what are the rivers available in this place and that place? Both are different. Okay, what are the districts coming under this northern Maidan? What are the districts coming under southern Maidan? Okay, Devangiri, Chitradurga, Tumkur, Kolar, Mandya, Mysore and Chamarajanagar district are in the southern Maidan area. So this is the area. This is with this we have completed the chapter 2 of physiographic division of Karnataka. Okay, throughout this one thoroughly you have to point wise I have written all the notes, so that it will be easy for you people to memorize. Okay, so and those who don't have the books, please take down your books. Without books it is not possible. Another 3 months is left, then also no response from your side. I don't know why. Okay, so with this we have finished the chapter 2. First chapter we have done for geographical our state Karnataka, that is the demographic of Karnataka. What are there, how the name origin, that one. Here we have distinctively learned about the physical division of Karnataka, which place, somewhere it is coastal area, somewhere it is Malnath region, somewhere it is Maidan region. If your concepts are clear and if you can memorize some district, hills, then waterfalls, it will be easy for you to answer the question. And this is the part in your essays where you can score more. Objective type questions will come. Write this one, 2 rivers of this one southern Maidan region, or 2 crops grown in this. If you write the 2 names, full 2 marks you will get. Okay, so you go through the notes again and again so that it will help you to memorize all the things. Okay, thank you.